Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have new blushes and new lipsticks at Tom Ford that have been reformulated, so obviously I had to pick them up. I have two blushes here to review and try on with you today. I have shade Crushed Rose and Tawny Veil and the Runway Lip Matte, the Lip Stylo Matte. I have the shade Blush Absolute. I don't want to spoil it for you, but from what I've seen in the reviews, the blushes looks absolutely fabulous, spectacular, just the perfect blush basically. And if I'm looking quickly through the list of ingredients, I do not see talc, and you have silica, you have shea butter, you've got glycerin, you've got mica. So I think it's going to be a very soft blurring blush, matte, but with a nice luminous finish that just stays in place the whole day, that is not turning patchy. And I cannot wait to try them. The shelf life is 12 months. And in the new lipstick, you've got synthetic wax as the second ingredient. And you also have some seed oils. This is the new packaging of the blush. You now have the big T in the middle, and this is the same packaging for the eyeshadow quad. The distinction for the eyeshadow quad will be between the cream and the powder. The case will look different, and that's how you can make the distinction between if it's a powder or a cream. But for the blush, they all look like this, and this is the Tom Ford Architecture, the soft matte blush, and this is shade Crushed Rose. And it's a very soft and neutral pink. Look at how beautiful this is. And I have the other one, the Tawny Veil, that is just the perfect everyday neutral blush that just kind of goes with everything. And I have to be honest, I have seen a few people using them, swatching them, and I'm getting massive FOMO of not having all the shades. I think all the shades will be finding a place in my makeup kit. So let's swatch Rose, Crushed Rose. Oh, it is so beautiful. It is so soft. It is buildable. Obviously, I've put enough for you to see. It's the perfect neutral pink blush. It is so stunning. It's very soft, very delicate. It just glides onto the skin. You can feel a little bit the glycerin. Not unpleasant, actually quite the opposite. Very pleasant. And that Tawny Veil, I'm sorry if I'm destroying the name. Tawny is not... And look at this. It's very luminous. It's very silky. It is stunning. They just glide onto the skin. Oh my God, guys. There's nothing bad to say about them except that I really want all the shades. They retail at £45 here in the UK. I ordered directly with Tom Ford because a lot of them are already sold out in a few places. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All the makeup I'm talking about today will be listed down below with a link to purchase. And if you do so with my link, I earn a small commission. And I will also link what's on my makeup on my face today. I went quite minimal because, playing with other makeup. But look at these. All right, let's swatch the lipstick. So this is the Stylo Matte lipstick. Is that the name? The Lip Stylo Matte. I think it's part of the Runway collection that have been reformulated as well. I have to say, the lipstick at Tom Ford, I used to find them a little bit heavy. They are, in my opinion, a little bit like that old school lipstick that feels creamy and a little bit heavy on the lips. So I hope that this is a little bit lighter. And I have the shade Absolute, Blush Absolute. Kind of a neutral pink, I guess. I went with the safe bet. Oh my goodness me. How beautiful is this? Oh, I like this very much. Very much. Stunning. It's completely matte. It's got a really nice luminosity. It's creamy. Oh yeah. I do not think that this is a necessarily extremely long-lasting lipstick because I can feel the wax in it, but it's a very pleasant feel onto the skin. And You can build it as well. You can go very sheer, or you can go and add a few layers. All right, let's go ahead with the crushed pink, crushed rose blush. I mean, do you not just want to swim in it? Oh, it just glides onto the skin. How pretty is this? Completely matte. And you can build it very easily. This is, as far as the blush goes, I think it's quite close to perfection. It just glides onto the skin. It's definitely buildable, or you can wear it very sheer. There is not a single patch. It doesn't pull, it's not muddy, it doesn't tug. It's matte, but it's luminous. Like, seriously, guys, there's nothing bad to be said other than, you know, give me all the shades. I think there are 6 shades in total. And yeah, I think they will all be finding a place in my makeup kit, because this is stunning. And it's a beautiful, soft, delicate pink. It's not too crazy pink. It doesn't give you that blush blindness look. Very easy to wear. It's very neutral, actually, for shade. This is very, very neutral, and I'm just so excited. I just love it. Right, let's try the other shade, the Tawny Veil. They are quite powdery in the pan, so I'd say go with a light hand to start with. Oh, I like this very much. It's very neutral. It's very, very soft. Oh, I don't know which one do I prefer the most. Well, both of them, obviously. And you can build it so easily. This is stunning. Again, quite neutral in terms of shade. And you could actually mix it with a bronzer and give you a little bit more of that sun-kissed look. Oh, that's a crushed pink. This is Tawny Veil, and they are just stunning. Now I'm gonna have to mix them both so I kind of equalize both sides. The blush are absolutely stunning. The formula is a cream tube powder, and that's exactly what it is. They are fade resistant. They are meant to be blurring and creating just that soft layer onto your skin, and that's exactly what they are. They are beautiful. You can build them. They are long wear. They are just perfection for a blush. I really, really, really like them. I will be adding more shades because obviously I'm curious to see the other shades that are a little bit more vibrant. They are crease proof, fade proof. They are not cakey, patchy. It's exactly what it is, and probably even more. Let's have a try at the lipstick that looks to be as promising as the blush. Again, this is so good. It's matte, it's giving you that blurred finish. You do feel the wax in the formula, but it's not unpleasant. And this shade is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I am so happy. I think it's a shame that the eyeshadow quads don't have the same. I haven't tried them. I am waiting for the new Soleil Tan, whatever the name, the new spring summer collection to try on the new eyeshadow quad. I didn't really see the point of getting the shades that I already have in my makeup kit. From all the reviews I have seen, no one seems to be necessarily over the moon with the new eyeshadow quads, but these blush and this lipstick, I mean, it's soft matte, it's blurring, it feels, you do feel a little bit the waxy feel to it, but it's not unpleasant. It makes me think of the Westman Atelier, the Suede lipstick, and it's very, very close. I really, really like them. The application is very easy. It's that Stylo lipstick. It's also very sexy. I do like a packaging like this. I think it's very much 90s, and it's exactly like the Rouge on Stage from Dior. Yeah, I do want more shades of this because it's kind of blurring your lips as well. It feels really, really hydrating. It's not transfer proof. Not transfer proof, but equally not crazy. Super easy to apply. I am loving these. The blush don't have any perfume or scent. Same goes with the lipstick. So now I'm gonna equalize a little bit the other cheek because, you know, I still have a full day ahead of me of being normal. So a little bit of pink, a little bit of tawny, and then we have a special blush created just for me today. And it actually looks pretty good. That's it, here we go. Definitely buildable, as you can see, but nothing over the top crazy. And I am so happy with this new relaunch. Tom Ford has done an amazing job with these products for sure. I really, really like how the lip is blurred, and it really, so what I used to not like about the Tom Ford lipstick was how they were a little bit heavier comparing with other brands. This is so light, you don't even feel like you're wearing a lipstick. The application is very easy. It's matte, it's blurred, but it's not matte like a chalk. Or remember the old version of the MAC lipstick, the matte one that were like super thick and heavy on the lips. This is like on the spectrum is completely the opposite, and it's beautiful. This is an absolute, these are absolute must. I can't believe I'm saying this. They are a must-have in your makeup kit. If you want to upgrade to something that is versatile, you can obviously you can wear these as an eyeshadow and have a full-on monochromatic look as well. They are not just blushes, but I mean, look, you can still see the skin. It's not, you know, a big patch of blush, but you can build them. They are very luminous for a matte blush. There's nothing else to ask for a blush. That is it on today's review. Seriously, guys, I don't have a single bad thing to say about them. I think this has been, these are clearly the star product of this new relaunch. And now I understand why the blush are so hype. They are stunning and beautiful. I will keep you posted on the eyeshadow quad. I might change my mind and just try one anyway, just for, you know, the fun of it. So stay tuned. It might be coming up. Let's see. As usual, I will be listing down below all the product I've used on today's makeup look and the product I've tried on for today. What I have on me, my foundation is Makeup by Mario, the new Surreal Skin Foundation. On my eyes, I have the Chanel from the latest release of this is the Rouge Noir collection, and I have Gris Rose just all over on my eyes with Chanel eyeliner in gray. I think it's Gris Graphite. Loads of mascara and some Makeup by Mario bronzer. But all of this will be listed down below anyway. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys, for being here, following me. I do have some update on the house coming soon. I think in the next few days, fingers crossed, everything goes to plan. I think we are soon to be celebrating, but I don't want to jinx it, so I'll come back to this. And just so many good things happening, guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.